CakeMail Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to CakeMail are in the description below. In this review, I'll cover its features, who it's best for, and how well it performs. CakeMail is an email marketing tool designed for small businesses, startups, and freelancers who need an easy-to-use yet effective platform for managing email campaigns. It focuses on simplicity, automation, and affordability, making it a great choice for those who don't need complex enterprise-level features but still want professional results. CakeMail provides a drag-and-drop email editor with pre-designed templates, allowing users to quickly create branded, mobile-friendly emails without any coding skills. The platform also supports list segmentation, enabling businesses to send targeted messages based on subscriber behavior, demographics, or past interactions. Automation tools allow users to set up welcome emails, follow-ups, and re-engagement campaigns with minimal effort. A major advantage of CakeMail is its strong focus on deliverability. The platform uses spam testing and reputation monitoring to maximize inbox placement rates, ensuring your emails don't end up in spam folders. It also includes A/B testing, allowing users to optimize subject lines, content, and sending times for better engagement. For businesses that want a lightweight yet effective email marketing solution, CakeMail integrates with third-party apps and CRMs, making it easy to connect with existing workflows. Real-time analytics provide insights into open rates, click-through rates, and overall campaign performance, helping users refine their strategies. CakeMail's affordable pricing structure is ideal for startups and small businesses, offering a cost-effective solution without sacrificing essential features. However, it may not be the best fit for larger enterprises needing advanced customization or deep integrations. Overall, CakeMail is a solid choice for those who want a straightforward, reliable, and budget-friendly email marketing tool. Check the links in the description for more details.